Changing your email on Stash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Stash app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, find the section labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information to view your current email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Confirm the change. After updating your email, you may need to verify the change by checking your new email for a confirmation link or code. Follow the instructions provided to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully change your email on Stash. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Stash customer support for assistance.